You can sell your course. As you can see, you can put the price. You can set the course to be unlocked after a particular time frame. For example, if someone is a member for at least 3 months, then the course will unlock for the members that are with you for at least 3 months period. Then you can set the course to be a private, where this means that you can essentially send the course link to a particular members, not to all of them, or you have a different tiers of memberships, right? After you set the levels and after you set the name and description of the course, then you will have an option to essentially create a cover page. To upload your cover page, over here it will be a picture, and then you can simply click add. When you add this one, you will have an option to add different modules inside your course. It's very good and important for you to break down your text information into different modules with different subtitles, so you will be able to provide much more organized and more valuable information, because it will be better structured and people will have the ability to comprehend the information better. We did that. We have broken down each module with different content. With some of the content comes with a video alongside the actual text, so we try to provide as much as value possible. So we want to make sure that people really gonna get what we're trying to teach and they're really gonna use it. Also very important is that you want to make sure that you are not using too much professional or specific terms. You want to make sure that everyone understands the basics, anyone can remember what actually they learned, and they can try to apply it right away. This is where things are getting interesting, because then what they learn and what they try, they can simply go back over here on the community and they can essentially create a post, and they can create a post under the category of share your story and your goals. So this is where people can say, okay, I had this goal, I went through the course, I tried some of the stuff, some of them work and others didn't work quite well, and the other members will give a feedback. You know what, you should try this one differently. You should probably try different time frames, or you should use something else. People will actually help you to deal with probably not met expectations.